Hello, my name is Sierra Landers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use some upper chest, tricep, and bicep exercising machines. The machines at gym facilities can sometimes seem intimidating if you're unsure how to use them. Here are a few clips to show how to properly place your arms in the machines as well as the full range movement that you must complete in order to use the machine effectively. Using heavy weights at first may be challenging, so start with lower weight, and as you progress you will be able to increase your weight. It is very important to remember that your muscles are stretching when you are lifting. This means that the best result will come from repeatedly stretching them over periods of time. This is where reps are very important. In each clip, the female is able to perform multiple lifts in a short period of time. With practice, you will be able to complete these exercises and increase strength and muscle mass.